Most parts of the country were this evening hit by an electricity blackout whose cause was not known within the first hour, even to the distributor, Kenya Power. Social media was awash with complaints of the dark night in various parts of the country. The utility firm quickly crafted a statement saying in part, a power system disturbance has led to loss of electricity supply to some parts of Nairobi and adjacent areas. However, this was not a true representation of how widespread the problem was, as there have been confirmations of power blackout in further off places in the country, with most major towns being affected. These include the counties of Mombasa, Kisumu, Migori, Homa Bay, Kakamega, Kisii, and towns such as Lodwar, Tala, among others, all despite not being adjacent to the capital, as Kenya Power had indicated. The utility firm within the first hour said that Kenya Power engineers are battling to identify the fault and restore power supply as quickly as possible. This raised concerns over the nature of the system, such that identifying the fault would take that long. And as normal evening operations in the country were interrupted, the script was replayed in Uganda, where there was power outage in various places. The country's main electricity distributor, Umeme, reported an outage affecting many areas, saying its teams were working to establish the cause, resolve it and restore supply. Uganda is connected to Kenya's grid at Tororo, the point at which the two countries have power sharing on a case-by-case basis. A source informs us that a unit at Kiambere is said to have failed, leading to a cascading problem, thereby straining the Kenyan system. Our source further says that it is likely that the link supplying power to Uganda was switched off to ease the strain on the Kenyan system. Hudayfa Aden, NTV.